video. Look at the overswimming. It's really good overswimming in this area. As you can see, we have a really good overswimming. We go over the overswimming right now with bicycle. My brakes do not have any brakes. Oh, scheisse. It's really beautiful though. You see the ström goes really nice, really smooth. You see there goes yeah, there's a ström here as well. So we go against the ström. Satisfying soundtrack, yes. Holy shit, you guys. You're not gonna believe this overswimming here from me. Alright? What are those though? What are those? I don't know. Don't ask me either. Hashtag write in the comment below. What are those? Please. I need money. Yeah, who doesn't need money? So we're gonna go here. You're gonna see a big... It's really beautiful here. A beautiful day in Sweden. After 4 days of constant rain, the sun is finally here. We'll get some good shots, as you can see. Really good quality. See, it's really beautiful water actually. Ich will nicht lie. Oh! Nu kommer den stora. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? It's like really it's really licking. Like it's really good overswimming. You can't even see island. Let's go. Ah! Oh Jesus. Oh! Well, that just happened.